Just imagine a mission so bold, so ambitious, that it set out to uncover the hidden secrets of the giant king of our solar system, Jupiter. This story of NASA's Juno mission is a tale of relentless curiosity, groundbreaking technology, and awe-inspiring discovery. From the moment it launched, Juno has redefined how we see Jupiter, revealing its swirling storms, mighty magnetic fields, and mysterious core. But more than that, Juno has transformed our understanding of how our entire solar system was born and how it continues to evolve. This isn't just a mission. It's a voyage into the unknown, fueled by human ingenuity and the timeless pursuit of cosmic truth. The Juno mission began in 2006 with a bold goal: to unlock the secrets of Jupiter. The spacecraft was designed to study the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and core to understand how it formed and what it's made of. One standout feature of Juno is its camera, JunoCam. While most instruments collected data for scientists, JunoCam had a special job to take stunning, high-quality images to engage and excite the public about space exploration. Juno spins while orbiting Jupiter, so traditional cameras couldn't work. Hence, the team used a clever trick called time-delayed integration. This technique allows the camera's exposure to move in sync with the spacecraft's spin, resulting in clear, sharp images. JunoCam's wide-angle lens, with a 58-degree field of view, captured breathtaking images of Jupiter's clouds, including the famous Great Red Spot. Unlike previous missions that focused on small areas, Juno's wide perspective showed the full beauty and complexity of Jupiter's atmosphere. But JunoCam was just one part of Juno's mission. The spacecraft also aimed to uncover the mystery of Jupiter's core, whether it's solid or made of dense gases. Understanding this would help scientists learn about how gas giants form, not just in our solar system, but also around other stars. The mission wasn't without challenges. Jupiter's intense radiation could easily damage the spacecraft, so engineers built a titanium vault around Juno's sensitive electronics to protect them. After a 5-year journey, Juno arrived at Jupiter in 2016 and entered a unique elliptical orbit. This allowed it to make close passes to gather data before retreating to safer distances, avoiding too much radiation exposure. Every time Juno got close to Jupiter, it made exciting discoveries, revealing new details about the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and more. Juno continues to send back incredible images and data, helping us understand not only Jupiter, but also other gas giants across the universe. Each close pass, known as a perijove, brought new revelations. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries was the detection of massive cyclones at Jupiter's poles. Unlike the familiar view of Jupiter's equatorial clouds, the poles revealed a completely different world. Swirling storms, some larger than the size of Earth, formed hexagonal patterns, hinting at complex and turbulent atmospheric dynamics that had never been observed before. Juno also made significant discoveries about Jupiter's magnetic field. Previous models had suggested that Jupiter's magnetic field was relatively uniform, but Juno's measurements revealed a much more complex structure. Some regions of the field were stronger than expected, while others displayed surprising irregularities. These findings suggested that the source of Jupiter's magnetic field might be deeper within the planet's core than previously thought, challenging existing theories of planetary magnetism. Another stunning discovery came in the form of Jupiter's auroras, brilliant, colorful lights dancing near the poles. While Earth's auroras are caused by solar wind interacting with our planet's magnetic field, Jupiter's auroras have a different origin: particles ejected from the volcanic moon. Io, one of Jupiter's largest moons, are accelerated along Jupiter's magnetic field lines, colliding with particles in the upper atmosphere and creating stunning displays of light. The sheer power and size of Jupiter's auroras are unlike anything seen on Earth, and Juno's observations provided the first detailed look at this otherworldly phenomenon. The success of Juno's mission owes much to its groundbreaking design and the ingenuity of its creators. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration, Juno has provided humanity with a deeper understanding of Jupiter's structure, magnetic forces, and weather patterns. Its contributions go beyond Jupiter, as its findings have implications for how we understand gas giants across the universe. The mission, initially planned to last until 2018, was extended due to the wealth of data it continued to deliver. With each orbit, Juno's suite of instruments continues to send back information that challenges old theories and inspires new ones. As of today, Juno's legacy is still growing. Each image and data set contributes to a better understanding of gas giants, not only in our own solar system, but in exoplanetary systems beyond. The mission's findings have implications for our understanding of distant exoplanets, many of which are gas giants similar to Jupiter and could influence future explorations of these alien worlds. Looking ahead, the legacy of Juno serves as a testament to human curiosity and determination. It's a reminder that, with a mix of creativity and perseverance, we can uncover the hidden wonders of our universe. Juno's journey isn't just about Jupiter, it's about the enduring pursuit of knowledge that drives us all. The mission's success is a tribute to human ingenuity, the spirit of exploration, and the desire to understand the cosmos. So, what's next for Juno? As long as the spacecraft remains operational, it will continue its incredible journey, sending back valuable data, stunning images, and new insights about Jupiter. The mission is far from over. Juno's engineers and scientists are excited to uncover even more secrets hidden deep within Jupiter's clouds and beneath its magnetic field. There's still so much to learn about this mysterious gas giant, and with each orbit, Juno brings us closer to understanding its true nature. As we look forward to more revelations from Juno, we can only imagine what other wonders will be uncovered in the vast expanse of our solar system. What do you think? Which of Juno's groundbreaking discoveries fascinated you the most? Was it the discovery of massive cyclones at Jupiter's poles, the stunning auroras, or the mysteries surrounding its core? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned as we continue our journey into the cosmos, exploring more groundbreaking missions that bring the universe closer to us, one discovery at a time.